March 30, we're celebrating Don's birthday, and I was using the camera and still I don't have onboard audio because I was thinking that the microphone's working, but that microphone is definitely not working. Here's the video. Check it out. Morning guys, kind of cold today. Saturday, cold Saturday, and yeah, there's no shoot for today. It's really cold. You can hear the wind whispering. It's cold. Anyway, like that guys, it's Saturday morning, and then I need to get something from the mailbox now. Okay, apparently I got something from the mailbox, and I realized that the exposure was blown out. It's overexposed. It's too bright. I'm putting a 1.4 lens in here. So yeah, anyway, it's cold. It's Saturday today and there's no shoot. So that's nice. But yeah, I'll be heading out. My microphone's falling. Shit. Okay, I gotta fix that. Yeah, I'll be heading out later today because yeah, it's Don's birthday and we'll be having a bit of drinks there. And yes, good morning. I need to do some things somewhere, some housework. I don't know. So, see you later. Okay, finally got out of the house. I'm heading towards Don's place because we're gonna party. It's his birthday on Monday, April Fool's, and yeah, today's a bit cold, but that's it. Anyway, gotta get to the car now. Okay, that exposure messed up, so I'm heading. Had to fix the camera to fix the exposure, and there's some shits on the. That should be all right. Okay, so let's go. Let's go towards Don's place. Yeah. So now, yeah. Okay, we're on our way now, and yeah, these cars are having a hard time getting through the traffic. Anyway, yes. Here I come, Don. I'm on my way. Just stay there. Yeah. There's some things in nature that are so nice to look at, just like the cloud over there, but I can't reproduce it on camera. So I'm just saying now, it's a shame. I can't capture the shot. I can show it to you all, but it's really nice. I don't want to cry. No, I don't want to cry. Just so nice. I'm just looking at it. Boss, pagkain boss. Boss, happy birthday boss. Pang dala mo ng lance mo. Ay. Oo nga, sa'yo yan. Ay. Oh, sige, sayo ka. Thank you. Ay, hindi pa na again.
Meron kami boss, para sa'yo.
Langya ka, boss. Baliktad eh. Oh. Boss, sinong kilala mo? Pakilala mo ka sa ano mo, boss?
Ay, si JM. A.K.A. Macho.
Langya.
Ay. Nakalata. Yo.
Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Ganda ng kandila mo doon.
Birthday time! All them. Happy birthday to
Ay, mabigat! Mabigat! I'd like to thank my fans out there for all the support and... Okay, Laura gave me a drone. Thank you very much for that. And I decided to make a separate video for this. So, back to what happened that day.
Mabulat lang.
Ang
laki ng katawan!
Pumipiyok. Hindi, kahit ako ba nung bago kami? Nasabi kong panggatok yung Pangasinense.
Binugbog ka.
Binilungan niya ako.
Hayop
Mag-ingat ka.
Mag-ingat ka. Yung pala yun.
Mag-ingat ka.
Migo. Ay! Ang ano to? Pwede na to. Wala maganda na ito.
Souvenir dahil.
Ito yung giveaway ko eh.
Mag-iosip
pa ako gago. Ay, gagago.
Kunin mo yung susi, baka uwi ng diretso.
I-video mo siya nagyoyosi para pakita mo ka.
I-video mo sa umihi.
Malamig ko ba?
Sana na yung bata, baka gago pa ka mamugang gago, ipasok mo na.
Hindi, pinaka.
Boss, kumusta boss? Okay lang?
Gusto rin niya eh.
Oh, sige. Ulit. Bibidyo ko kayo. Hindi pa. I-video ko pa kayo. Uy!
Naka-buy model exhaust ako. Ano yun? Optional.
Baho ng utot ko.
Talagang gagawin yung ulo mo sa...
Push mo. Boss. Boss.
Masarap pa.
Alam na.
Boss. Tinan mo boss.
Alam na, boss.
Yung ilaw boss.
Iwangan.
Ako rin nun eh.
Meron akong ano
Huling manual ko.
Ayan, ito.
Ay, wala ka pang waiver.
Sana sa memplang.
Putang ina. Ayoko.
Sakyan mo muna. Di konti lang yung ano mo.
Hindi ako makabalas, lasing na ako.
Oh.
Putang ina.
Ikaw dyan.
Wala rin.
Mabilis pa eh. Pag napindot mo gaganon ka, may iwan ka. Asan yung controller?
Ano kayo yun oh?
Forward.
Pag gutumba ka, iyak mo lang dyan ha.
Forward. Pero pag ganyan, pwede ka mag-reverse. Mag-forward.
Pwede, oo.
Ayun. Carb yung carb pwede.
Car pwede. Pwede nga longboard.
Hindi ka nag-skate nag-skate ka.
Hindi ako nag-skateboard eh.
Ako din eh.
Gusto ko to ah. Kailangan ko sanayin din eh, no?
Tinan mo yung ISO.
Nakakaya yan pag kunwari yung nasa city ka.
Sumamplang ka.
Oo, nakakaya yan.
Kailangan mo practice. Kailangan mo tadyain.
Okay, at this point, I think I'm drunk and I'm just talking blabbering. I'll just remove the audio because it sounds really awful. But yeah, I think this is the end of the vlog. It's been a long 14 minutes, almost 15 minutes of nonsense. But anyway, happy birthday, Dawn. Yeah, thank you, Laura, for the drone.